Hey, so this is me opening up the futures account. So, it's October 21st. Coming here. This is the E-mini S&P 500 futures. So you come here and you can look at the futures. You have your different indexes. But here we're gonna do this demo for futures. So you see here you have your Bitcoin futures. And basically you have initial margin. But if you go down to XBT, so XBT, CBOE, Bitcoin futures, and you can tell right here, go over here. It says initial margin. You need 2,800 to actually trade on the Bitcoin futures. And every tick size, for every five, you get $5. So let's just go there so you can kind of see what it looks like. Um, Here, so right now the price of the Bitcoin futures is 6,400. And you can tell when the market opened, it actually went up, it shot up, right? And this is on a 1 minute. So I can actually go here and look at the hour to see where we're at. Uh, so you can see comparative. And then I have a trend line that actually, you know, automatically kind of keeps track. So this is, it's getting to a point where this is almost a flag. But anyways, let me go show you guys how to make an order. So on the 15-minute mark, I'm looking at the future 6,400. Now, if I think it's going to go up, I can buy. If I think it's going to go down, it's a sell. And I'm looking here at my RSI indicator here. And normally when it's up here, this is kind of when I would short. But for this, I'm just going to go long and show you that, all right, if I wanted to buy the market right now, which is one contract at 6,400, this is as simple as this. It tells you you're buying one Bitcoin futures. It's going to cost you $2.25 per trade. Buying power affected, and it shows you, your information. So right here, you have a market order to buy, Bitcoin futures. And that means that I'm thinking it's going to go long. Up here, if I want to say, all right, if it touches 64, 36 again, I want to short. So here I can hit a sell order. Right click it here, and I hit a sell, single order, and basically you see that here. So you guys can see right now, I bought, one contract, 64, it filled, and basically it moved, um, a few ticks. So for it to go up there, it means that it had to move. For me to get $20, that would mean that it had to move, uh, you know, 20, 20 ticks. And I know it's going to be kind of confusing. Let me get to something else that has more volume right now. Right now, the Bitcoin future doesn't have any volume. So if I was to do, let's say gold, which is GC, you see right here it says one tick size give you $10. You need 3,700. So I go here to this chart and I always look at it. Right now, it's looking a little bit weak. This is a resistance, 1230, but I'm still gonna go long just for this purpose. Normally I would short until it breaks out, and actually I should have short, but for this demo, I just I'll go. I'll buy it long just to go, so you can see. So you see here, my buy order is right here, and it filled right, and that's a long. And so right now, gold has been, it's going down right now just because it's going into earnings season. But all last week it was shooting up, and you see that if it moves one tick, you know, I you lose $10. It goes up, you get $10. Now that's only one. So this means that if it moves up to 12, 30, it moves three ticks. 12, 29.7, point 8, point 9, then that equals, basically that's $30. So, this is how This is how you trade the futures, and you have volatility. You'll be making money like $10, $20. Normally if you do more than one contract, 4 or 5 contracts, you'll be able to make you know $50, $100 in minutes. So I'm just going to do this while we're on this video right here, and we'll come back to this one. Let's go see. Let's check out oil. So you see right now it just jumped. It went to 12.30, $30. So if I wanted to sell right now, just to exit and take that profit. So the trade cost me $2. Now if I sell, at 12.30, that'd be $30. Right? And you can do that, and that's less than. Now it's up to 12.30.1. That's 40. So just in that 3, 4, or 5 minutes, that's $40. And if you wanted to play it safe, you could buy and sell these little moves, every 2, 3 minutes. You rack up a lot of fees, but you see now it's up. Now I'm at $50. And this is just for the demo. And so like here, if I want to sell right here, so it's still moving. So that amount of time, that's off of one contract. So 70, okay, $70. All right, for demo purposes, we'll go ahead and just show you how that works. Sell market. So I got the sell order in at 1230.3. When it fills, there you go, the filled order. So it was that quick. Now I can go back down to my Bitcoin futures. All right. So now I want to sell that one. All right. Actually, I can hit flatten. So if it was really going real quick, I would hit flatten, and it basically just exits the trade. So it's going to give you one tick at 64.05. So basically, I have a sell order in. Once it hits that, you have some kind of volume, it closes out that trade. Let's go to my oil. So this is just an example to give you guys example of how the activity. Oh man, so this is going up right now. So just say, hey, I'm gonna short this one, just because this is going up and I see this here. So real quick, I'll put a sell order in to short. Oil is moving up. So it goes up again. And this. So here I see what I see. I just see this is a strength. This move is going straight up. If I look at it, okay, on this, all this right here is selling pressure. So I can actually put a couple of contracts in on the short. And this is how fast the market moves. So it gives us opportunity. So I put another short order in, so I can have a couple of contracts on the oil. I'm gonna. All right, so I'm just gonna do a quick 10-minute video. So I have 9 minutes. It's at 9 minutes right now. Normally, when I see it down here, this is where I buy, to go long. But this moves up and down, so it moves. See, it moves up and down so quick that I'll take this less than a couple of seconds, right? A couple of seconds, and I just flatten it out because I see it's going into this. This is a previous seller set right here. So 69.40 is resistance. This is at 69.40. That's normally where I was short. And I used to trade oil a lot, so I kind of have an advantage. I kind of know levels already predefined. So it's but it makes it good because with experience, you kind of have a advantage trading, and that's what you get with experience. So right there is 20 bucks, 2 contracts, just real quick. It cost me like $4 to make that trade. So like less than 5 minutes made $100. All right, 10 minutes, $100, just on a couple of contracts. And this, if I'd have kept this shirt on, it'll actually drop a little bit, a lot lower. But I want to just show you, the future so you guys can get a demo account. So let me end this and upload this for you guys.